apats-apatsa masayang, okay? So, you have to live up to what you're wearing, no? So first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And Sir Randall, we will pick best of 3, no? Okay, alright. First, contender, a round of applause. Uy, ginawa ko. Madam, naunsa man imong skirt, madam, abot man sa imong busok, ma'am. Nagising ka sa gate, ma'am? Or gituyong? Api ka, ma'am. Kana. Naglibig ko kay iyang batang murag flower vase. Char lang mo. Ikaw ba yung kanang save the best for last, okay? Let's give it up for our first contender. Let's proceed here on stage. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, can we just all give them a round of applause? Grabe. Ano sa mga pilihan pa mo, Day? Ay, sa pilihan pa mo, best of 3. Sige. Alright, so... Alright, so let's call on each one of them and let's give them our loudest cheer. Whoever gets the loudest cheer, tabagin ni Judge ha, kasi pinakakusog na cheer. Okay? Who wants to cheer for our first contender? Alright. Second contender. Third contender. Alright, si Jasmine, fourth contender. Pare-pareha lang mo, ang fifth, asa ang fifth? Oh, fifth contender. Ay, grabe. Asa ba sa libong kisod ba daw? Murag, naingkog ko. Murag, iipot yun din sa 69 ka sapatos. Grabe yun din siya. Next contender is, isa pa may wala. Si Madam. Alright, next up,
Yung mama na
si Madam Cleopatra of Gold. Oh, nagandang sa advance.
Dako kay Duwa.
Alright, ikaw Madam, obvious naman you're one of the main winners alin ka.
Tuwa sila table.
Okay. Next up, Ayin and Madam Angel. Madam Ika Kinalasan.
Allah.
And our last winner. Napagos naman kita ka. Uy, nga lang nakadaog bang ka. Uy, ari na lang daribi? Oh, harap ka rin ha. And isa pa man, isa yung pinaka-last. Alright, arita sa duha. Or isa man yun. Sila na lang duha. Okay ra mo, next year na lang ha. Hata mo, guys. Sipong sumpa din. Okay na din. Okay na din. Alright, one more. Alright, so, mag-showdown silang duha, okay? Alright. Music maestro. Showdown. Grabe. Pantay. Ay, ginawa pa. Parental guidance. Pantay. Hala! Hataw! Lower! Hala! Grabe bang kaya to eh. Ang pakuwi. Kahanap ko dahil.